Good morning, students. So, let us discuss some multiple choice questions on motion. Here, our first question is, which of the following is not a type of motion, that is static motion? Correct answer will be option number D. In linear motion, we say that if an object is moving on a straight line path, the motion is said to be linear motion. In circular motion, we say if the object is moving on a circular path, it is called circular motion. And in oscillatory motion, we say when an object is moving about its mean position, motion is oscillatory motion. So correct answer of question number 1 is static motion. Our second question, the SI unit of speed is meter per second. In third question, if an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to have uniform speed and the motion is said to be uniform motion. In the next question, acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. In question number 5, a body is said to be at rest if its position does not change with respect to the reference point. Our next question is, the slope of distance time graph will represent the speed of the object. Our next question is, which of the following is an example of non-uniform motion? An example of circular motion is always a non-uniform motion because at each point of its path, displacement changes, which results in the non-uniform motion of the object. So correct answer will be option number D. Our next question, which of the following is true about the motion of a freely falling object? That means it has constant acceleration and it is due to gravitational force. Our next question is, in uniform circular motion, the direction of acceleration is always directed towards the center of the circle. Option number is correct. In next question, which of the following is a scalar quantity? That is speed. In the next question, the area under the velocity time graph will represent the displacement of the object. In next question, if an object moves with uniform speed in a circular path, its motion is called circular motion. In next question, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Option number B is correct. In the next question, the total distance covered by the object divided by the total time taken is called the speed. This is the formula of speed. Total distance covered divided by total time taken. In the next question, which of the following statement is true about velocity and displacement and speed? First of all, we have to think that where the two quantities differ. These two quantities differ by the formula. In velocity, we say displacement upon time, and in case of speed, we say distance divided by time. That means the difference lying between distance and displacement is followed by speed and velocity. As we know that distance is always greater than or equal to displacement, but displacement can never be greater than distance. So we have to check all the four options. In option number D, it is said that velocity can be greater or less than speed. No, it is not correct. Velocity can be less than the speed but never be greater than the speed. In option number C, it is said velocity can be greater or equal to speed. No, velocity can never be greater than speed. And option number A said velocity is always greater than speed. It is also incorrect. So the correct answer will be B. Velocity is always equal to speed. According to option, we have to go with option number B. In the next question, which of the following is an example of rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion is a motion in which object is moving on a straight line path. So we have to check which of the given example is a straight line motion. So option number C is correct. A car moving on a straight road. And question number 17. Which of the following is an example of periodic motion in which an object is moving back and forth? So the correct answer will be option number C. In the next question, it is asked, the speed at any instant of time is called instantaneous speed. In the next question, which of the following is not a unit of acceleration? That means option number B is not the correct answer. In the 20th question, it is said which of the following statement is true about the acceleration? That it can be positive or negative, but one at a time. In the next question, acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth is approximately 9.8 meter per second square. Option number B. In the next question, which of the following is an example of negative acceleration? In case of negative acceleration, the body is always decreasing its speed. So correct answer will be option number A, a car slowing down. In the next question, the formula V is equal to U plus AT relate. V and U here implies velocity. A indicates acceleration. T is the symbol for time. Correct answer will be option number A. In the next question, which of the following is true about the motion of object under free fall near the surface of the earth? That means it is asking about the free fall when the object is falling freely above under the action of gravity, and the correct answer will be option number B, that it has a constant acceleration. Option number B is correct. In the next question, when a moving object comes to rest, its acceleration will be negative. This is the case of retardation. In the next question, which of the following is an example of circular motion in which an object is moving on a circular path? That is option number C, stone tied to a string and whirled in a circular path. Our next question is, the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. The next question is, when an object moves in a straight line and its speed keeps changing, its motion is said to be non-uniform motion. In the next question, it is asked that a car accelerates from rest to a speed of 60 km per hour in 10 seconds. What is its acceleration? Acceleration is given by the change in speed upon time taken. First of all, we have to maintain the units. Here, answer is in both the terms. So, let us convert the 10 seconds into hours. So we will divide 10 by 60, which will give 1 by 60 नो आंसर यहाँ से नहीं आएगा. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर को हमें कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा मीटर पर सेकेंड में by multiplying with 5/18 and then using the formula v minus u by t. Initial speed is 0, final speed is 60 km per hour, time is 10. Our next question is area under an acceleration time graph will give change in velocity of the object. Option number A is correct. Our next question, which of the following is an example of non-uniform circular motion? That is non-uniform circular motion, and we know the option number C is the correct answer. This question is repeated. Our next question, the magnitude of displacement is always less than or equal to the distance. So here the two options are correct, less than the distance covered and equal to the distance covered. We will go with the option number B. The ratio of total distance covered to the total time taken is called speed. In the next question, speed time graph of an object moving with constant speed is a straight line parallel to time axis. Moving to the next question, distance time graph of an object moving with uniform speed is a straight line inclined to time axis. Option number B is correct. In the next question, which of the following is not a type of accelerated motion? Is not a type of accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion is accelerated motion. Non-uniform accelerated motion is also accelerated. Constantly accelerated motion is also accelerated motion. Rectilinear accelerated motion. Option number B is correct. There is no such thing as rectilinearly accelerated motion. Move on to next question. Which of the following statement is true about velocity time graph of the object moving with constant velocity? That is, it is a straight line parallel to the time axis. Option number B is correct. Next question is, when an object moves in a circular path with a constant speed, its acceleration is non-zero because speed is constant, not the velocity. Move on to next question. The slope of velocity time graph will represent the acceleration of the object. Next question is, which of the following is an example of deceleration? That is the case in which speed is decreasing. Option number C is correct. A car slowing down. Our next question is, the distance traveled by the object divided by time taken is called speed of the object. Our next question is, which of the following statement is true about the circular motion? That option number is option number A is correct, in which it is said the direction of velocity changes, but the speed remains the constant. In the next question, the speed time graph of an object moving with uniform acceleration is. Speed time graph moving with uniform acceleration is straight line inclined to the time axis. Our next question is, an object covers a distance of 200 meters in 10 seconds. What is the average speed? For average speed, we will divide the distance with the time, that is 200 by 10. That will give us 20 meters per second. Answer will be A. Our next question is, which of the following is a vector quantity? That is displacement. So question number 46 is quite easy, can be done easily. Next question, displacement time graph of an object moving with uniform speed. Object is moving with a uniform speed, and we are asked about displacement time graph. So graph will be a straight line inclined to the time axis. Our next question is also repeated. Move on to next question. Velocity time graph of an object moving with uniform velocity is straight line parallel to time axis. Option number A is correct. So in the next question, it is given an object moves a distance of 500 meters with a speed of 50 meters per second. Then it is asked that calculate the time. Speed is given that 50 meters per second. It means the object is covering 50 meters in each second. In first second, object has covered 50 meters. In 2 seconds, object has covered 100 meters. In 3 seconds, object will cover 150 meters. So 500 meters will be covered by the object in 10 seconds. Or you can use the formula. Our next question is, when an object moves with a uniform speed, acceleration will be 0. Our next question is, displacement time graph of an object moving with uniform velocity is. Displacement time graph of an object moving with uniform velocity is a straight line inclined to the time axis. Our next question, an object is dropped from a certain height. What can be said about its initial velocity? Its initial velocity will be 0. So rest of the questions will be discussed in the next video.